Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. But anyway, and some cucumber and tomato, spring onion cut up together, and hopefully guys will like this recipe. It's a fantastic recipe for the summer. You know you're gonna be really hot this summer, so you need something to cool it down or something to just keep you calm this summer with the family. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments below. If you think it's a nice recipe, leave your comments. We got a lot more ideas coming out for this summer. And also remember, you can donate to Chef Ricardo Studio, which is coming up very soon. And also we got the book online. There's a 50% off. And also you can subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you so much, and subscribe is for free. Follow up on all social media. We're talking about Facebook. We got the like page. We got Twitter, Instagram, and also Google Plus, and also Amazon with the book 50% off. See you next time. Bye-bye. Nice, lovely. So basically, as you can see, the chicken is in the oven. So basically right here I have some sweet gem lettuce right here, which I'm gonna make a nice lovely salad from. And all I'm gonna do is simple. Cut off these pieces right here. Sweet gem lettuce is really nice, and I'm just gonna wash these, my guys. And I'm telling you, you will love this recipe because it's a nice recipe. And a lot of people like salad like myself. So all you have to do is just wash them off like this. It is sweet gem lettuce, so you can get this at any local shop or supermarket to buy. So basically we wanna mix up these with some cucumber and some tomato right here. We got some spring onion, and I'm gonna wash all of my ingredients right here, guys, as you can see. So, as you can see, I'm just washing them off at the moment. So, the chicken is in the oven, and now we are making a lovely salad from this sweet gem lettuce right here. So, you can get this kind of lettuce. You can use your favorite lettuce you like to use at home. So, I'm just going to cut up these. And I like this one. The Scottish one is really nice. And that's simple. Put in the bowl just like this and break it up. I love this kind of lettuce, man. It's just really, really nice and fantastic, guys. So as you can see, exactly what's going on inside of the bowl right here. So that looking lovely and nice and green and fresh. That's the only thing I like about this kind of lettuce. The second thing, we're gonna get some cucumber, and we're gonna simple cut it up very small like this. Just like that, guys. So we're gonna use roughly almost 3/4 cucumber. So if you're a person who loves salad like myself, this is where it come in really handy, especially this summer now, you know what I mean? Summer gonna be starting now, so you're gonna need certain kind of salad like this to balance the diet, because when the time hot, you don't wanna eat no whole heap of hot food, you wanna eat something really nice. So we're gonna put some spring onion. Guys, I'm telling you, spring onion is really nice in salad. You need to give it a try. You can put some red onion in it, you can put some coriander. You can put your favorite stuff where you like in your salad where you normally make at home. But I'm just making a simple little salad right here, as you can see. Put some tomato inside of it. Give it some color. As you can see, that's the color you get from it. Really nice. Look at that, beautiful. Fantastic, guys. I know you're gonna love this salad. Jerk chicken salad for summer. Ready, done, and dusted. We're gonna put a pinch of coarse pepper, not too much. Just a little pinch. And also a little bit pinch of olive oil, not too much neither. Next time I'll show you how to make jerk salad. Just simply use your hand and mix it up. I changed my gloves because the first one which I was angling meat, so you can't angle the same thing with the same meat with the veg and everything. So you have to change your gloves, guys. All right? Don't even think about washing off your gloves. Change your gloves and get another one. And mix up a salad just like this. So as you can see, all that looking lovely and nice, fresh and nice. So all right, now I'm gonna put this in the fridge and the chicken in the oven, and as soon as the chicken ready, we're gonna shear it out and make it see exactly. All right, enjoy the recipe. This is some Chef Ricardo on the team. We're working very hard to get some new recipe coming up for summer. So thank you so much.